Hey guys, here finishing some of our garden area. We've got this raised bed that we're building today out of 2x12s. We've got the full length video is going to be coming out on YouTube, but figured I wanted to make a short for you here as well. I'm going to show you exactly what we did and why I do it this way as well when it comes to raised bed gardening. So standard 2x12 construction. I don't use treated plywood or treated wood, treated timber at all out here. These pieces are gonna last probably a good 8 years without any problem at all, compared to if you went and spent maybe triple the money on cedar or something like that. You'd probably get a good 15 years out of them. But heck, most of y'all move out of your house within 2 or 3 years. So why would you spend probably around 300 some bucks when this wood that I built this with, and then back over on that side, that one too, this wood cost in total, I think it was like 75 bucks. They were $14 a piece for 2x12x10s. So what we did, we got the beds put together. And then what I always do is put mulch in first. So I'm putting about, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches of mulch in there. Wood chips, I get this from a local arborist that drops it off for free. So it's a big mix of everything. We got branches, twigs, larger wood chips, needles, all kinds of stuff, a little bit of everything in there. So I do this for a foundation for the fungi to grow and the mycorrhizal colonies to establish inside there beneath the soil. That really helps out down the line for you. Plus, it's going to save you a little bit of money on soil. Next thing is going to be adding in the soil. I do love this Kellogg brand. I've been using this for probably about 5 years or so. Have always had great results for it. It's relatively affordable as well. I think these bags are about $8.97 each at Home Depot. So they are 2 cubic feet. I got 8 of them. We'll see if it fills up this bed right here. Starting to heat up here in Wisconsin. I think it's a perfect time to get the gardens going. So we've got 8 bags of the Kellogg's raised garden bed mix, and then we put in 1 final bag of the potting mix that they have. And I think this is just about going to do it. I leave a little bit of space because once we have seedlings growing in here, some viable plants, what we do then is another inch or 2 of wood chips on top of that. That's going to help seal that moisture in this garden bed. Again, help with mycorrhizal fungi. The overall biodiversity of this soil is going to greatly benefit from those wood chips. So again, check out our YouTube channel, Expedition Homestead, for full-length videos of all this stuff. But excited to start growing in here. As you can tell, we've got all kinds of seedlings. So stay tuned here on TikTok and Facebook and everything as well for the other short content when it comes to this. We're going to do videos on prepping the straw bales and growing throughout the season as well. So thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next one.